Hello class 2. Welcome to your English literature class children. Today we will do the revision of page number 19 of your book. Okay, chapter 1, page number 19. So open your book at page number 19. This is page number 19 of your book. We will do the revision of this page today. Okay, page number 19. Take a pencil in your hand and open your book at page number 19. Okay, we will do the revision of page number 19 today. As we have already completed this, but as we have to sit for the exam, so we will do the revision. Okay. Now the first one, word wall, we will do today in this class. This for the first one is you have to match the column to complete the sentences. So you can see two columns given here. Okay, two columns are given. One is done for you already. So you have to match. The rest of the sentences. Clear? So I hope that you have already taken a pencil in your hand. Okay, let us start. Match the column to complete the sentences. One has been done for you. See, the first one is the old lady's bags were delicious, little, heavy, sunny and kind. Five options you will find here. So the first one is already done for you. The old lady's bags were heavy, Heaby. This is done for you, isn't it? Now you have to start from the next one. That is Poppy was. Poppy was the name of the little girl, isn't it? The main character of the story. So Poppy was now match from this side. Okay. Poppy was delicious, little, heavy is already done, sunny or kind. Poppy was a kind girl, isn't it? So you will match kind. You will match this with kind. Okay, because Poppy was a kind girl because she helped the old lady, isn't it? So this way you will match. Poppy was kind. Why she was? How can you say that Poppy was kind? How do you know that Poppy was kind, not cruel? Because in the story we have studied that she helped the old lady to carry the heavy bags, isn't it? So she was a little girl, still she helped the old lady, isn't it? So we can see that Poppy was a kind girl. So you will match Poppy with kind. Okay, Poppy was with kind. Now come to the next one, number 3. The porridge was. So the porridge was how it was. It was delicious. So you will match the porridge was with delicious. The first one, the first option. The porridge was delicious, isn't it? Done. Now next one, the porridge pot was. Now two options are left. One is little and another one is sunny. So obviously the porridge pot was little, not a very big pot. The pot was a little. Okay, the pot was little inside. Though it can make as much as you want, but it was not of a very big size. It was little. So the porridge pot was little. See, this one, isn't it? And the last one is the weather on the day Poppy met the old lady was. What was the weather? How was the weather? Isn't it? The weather on the day when Poppy met the old lady, it was sunny, because in the beginning of the chapter where we found that it was a sunny morning when Poppy was walking through the woods and she met the old lady, isn't it? So the weather on the day Poppy met the old lady was sunny. So this way the weather was sunny. This way we have to join this, match this. Okay, done. I think you have already done this one. Okay, so with the help of the story, we have completed the matching given in exercise number 1 of page number 19, isn't it? What we have done, we have matched, we have reflect back what we have learned in the story, isn't it? And then we have matched the following. So what you have to do every day, you have to, I think you have already you have already done this in the book itself, isn't it? So go through this so that you can prepare well for the test. Okay. And in the last video we have done the revision of page number 18 also. So I hope by this time you have done the revision of chapter 1, isn't it? Chapter 1 is done, that is reference to context you have done in the last class, the revision of this, isn't it? So today we have done the revision of exercise, the word wall, exercise 1 under word wall. And in the next day, in the next class we will do the revision of grammar time. Okay, so by this time you do all these things, you study properly and prepare yourself for the test. Okay, I think this one is clear to you. Whatever we have done today, this one is clear to you because you know the story. Once you know the story, you will not find any difficulty in doing the match. This is the match the column, isn't it? This is matching. So when if you are clear with the story, you can do the matching part. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.